sacrifice, discipline, patience, a resilience that says we don't simply endure, but we overcome. Together we can overcome ignorance and prejudice. Together we will overcome conflict and injustice, not just with words, but with deeds. With what a hero of mine, the civil rights icon John Lewis, calls using our feet, getting out in the real world to organize and create the change that we seek. That's what so many of you do every single day. That's what we have to continue to do together here in America and around the world. And as the Quran teaches, let us answer with peace. May God bless you all. Have a wonderful Ramadan and get back to dinner.
Okay, Paul, we need to leave. I understand. Yeah, you gotta kill it right now.